Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the roof rail weight limit in the vehicle manual. This protects paint and handling. Next, position rubber pads to prevent metal-on-metal contact and loosely align the mounting feet. Once done, measure equal distances from both doors to center the load. This ensures balance. Then hand thread fasteners to hold parts in place while you verify spacing. Make sure to keep parts accessible for the next tightening stage and double-check seals to avoid leaks before driving. You now set the crossbars to the recommended positions based on the cargo size. Correct spacing prevents sway. Start by tightening clamps finger tight so components settle naturally, then use a torque wrench to reach the manufacturer's specified torque. This prevents over-tightening. Once tightened, shake each bar to check for play and retorque if any movement exists. Make sure to align bars parallel to the roof and equal left to right, because crooked bars create wind noise and uneven load stress during transit. You place cargo centered between bars and secure it with rated straps, keeping weight within the rail limit to preserve handling. Next, engage locks on the mounts, and if locks are removable, stow keys safely. Once done, drive a short distance and recheck torque and strap tension. Make sure straps haven't loosened. If you hear rattles or detect movement, stop and retorque clamps, inspect pads and fasteners for wear, and adjust load distribution. This prevents damage and keeps the load safe on long trips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.